Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. every single day, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 17th, 2025, and this is going to be day 374 of consistently helping people build consistency. So one of the biggest topic about consistency is basically mindset. If you want to be consistent at doing something, you need to be having the right mindset on how you see things on the long run. How to actually stick to those things highly depend on how you perceive consistency, okay? How you perceive persistence. But I'm not really going to be talking about mindset today because, hey, big chance if you click on this video, you are a person who wanted to improve your life. And when you are a person who wanted to improve your life, big chances you already met tons of mindset, the positive mindset, the self-improvement mindset. In your social media feed, on your Instagram, you just watch the quotes every single day. But the problem that most people have here, this is the thing that I'm going to be talking here, including myself, okay? Including myself, lots of people, when they are into self-improvement, they wanted to be consistent, they have already know about the mindset on how to see things, okay? Because they just constantly reading these quotes online about, rely on discipline, not motivation. Show up every single day, even on the days when you are not feeling motivated, because motivation comes and goes. This mindset are the right mindset, and probably you already know about this mindset. But the problem here is that you just cannot implement those mindset. This is the same problem that I have. I used to just basically consume motivational content every single day, mindset content every single day, but I agree, okay? I agree with the content, but I just cannot implement it, okay? So I, to some extent, know that I should be showing up every single day, even on the days when I'm not feeling motivated. But, I just cannot do it. I have this mindset that I know that I should be applying, but I just cannot apply it, and it's kind of frustrating. So on this video, I'm going to be talking about how to actually implement the right mindset that big chances you already know. There are basically two things that we need to be doing here in order to shift our mindset, our current mindset, into the mindset that we wanted to have. First thing first, we need to be constantly reminding ourselves on a day-to-day basis about the mindset that we wanted to be having. And secondly, we need to be giving evidence to ourselves on a day-to-day basis that we are actually implementing that mindset, okay? Because if we only reminding ourselves of the mindset without actually giving any evidence, there's not going to be any improvement. So for example, pick one quote that you just wanted to implement in your life, okay? That one quote that really resonates with your life. So for example, for me, rely on discipline, not motivation. Show up even on the days when you are not feeling motivated. For example, let's just go with that one, okay? I actually also really like that quote too. The thing that I want to be doing here is every single time I want to do my exercise or I want to be doing my daily studying session that I want to be consistent at, I read the paper first. I read the quote first, okay? So I just basically, write this quote on a paper, and then every single time I want to be doing the activity that I want to be consistent at, I just basically read the paper, basically reminding myself about the mindset. But after I read that paper, I'm going to be doing the exercise that I should be doing. I'm going to be doing the studying that I should be doing. Why? Because I'm giving myself the evidence that, hey, regardless whether I'm feeling motivated or not today, I still do my exercise. Regardless whether I'm feeling motivated or not, lazy or not, I'm still going to be studying, which is basically the mindset that I'm reminding myself on a day-to-day basis. I'm basically giving the evidence that not only that I talk the talk, but I also walk the talk, okay? And over time, basically the mindset shift is going to be happening because, hey, the identity shift is going to happen. We are going to be associating ourselves with a person that can actually fulfill his words, a person who can show up even on the days when he or she is not feeling motivated. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll really appreciate that. Join our Discord. And also for today's date, I'll set the post. Today's July 17th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a horse in cardigans post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.